Math 6, Addition of Fractions, Part 1. Objectives. Review the concept of fractions. Add fractions and mixed numbers. Solve problems involving fractions. Fraction represents a part of a whole. It has two parts, the numerator and the denominator. Here are some basic fraction facts. 1. If the numerator is less than the denominator, it is a proper fraction. 2. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, it is an improper fraction. It can be expressed as a mixed number. 3. A whole number with a fraction is a mixed number. 4. In performing operations of fractions, always answer in simplest form or lowest term. Basic fraction facts. Proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. Improper fractions can also be expressed as mixed numbers. Mixed number is a fraction with a whole number. To change an improper fraction to a mixed number, divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient is the whole number. As for the fraction part, the remainder is the numerator and the divisor is the denominator. To express a mixed number to improper fraction, multiply the denominator by the whole number, add the numerator to the product, then write the sum over the given denominator. In performing operations of fraction, always answer in lowest term. To express a fraction in lowest term, divide the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor. If the numerator is the same as the denominator, the fraction is equivalent to 1. Addition of fractions. Adding similar fractions. Since similar fractions have the same denominators, having same equal parts, the item is divided into, add the numerators, then affix the given denominator. Example. Adding dissimilar fractions. Dissimilar fractions have different denominators. In adding them, we can use two methods. Method 1. Make the fractions similar by getting their LCD, least common denominator, to get their equivalent fractions. Example. The LCD of 3 and 5 is 15. Make the fractions similar. 15 is now the denominator, then get the new numerator by dividing the LCD to the previous denominator, then multiply to the old numerator. Method 2. Use the butterfly method. Note: this method is only applicable when adding two fractions. Example. Solution. Add the cross product of two fractions 5 times 1 plus 3 times 2 to get the numerator, then multiply the two denominators 3 times 5 to get the denominator. Adding mixed numbers. Add the whole number or numbers, then continue adding the fractions using one of the methods. Example 1, 4 and 1 over 3, plus 3 and 2 over 5 equals 7 and 11 over 15. Example 2, 2 and 3 over 8, plus 10 and 1 over 8 equals 12 and 11 over 15 or 12 and 1/2. Let's have an exercise.